First part, we divide 369 by 1. The answer will be 369. Second part, minus 75 to be divided by some value. The answer should come out to be -1. So we divide it by 75. 75 will be divided by 75. वो cancel out हो जाएंगे. -1 रह जाएगा. C part, we divide by the same number. -206 divided by -206, the answer will be 1. अगर आपको आंसर 1 चाहिए तो हम इंटीजर को उसी से डिवाइड करेंगे, सेम वैल्यू से. D part, -87, the answer should be 87. We can divide by -1. E part, the answer should be -87, and we want to divide the number by 1. The number will be the integer itself. If you divide the integer with 1, the answer is the number itself. Multiplication by 1, division by 1 gives you the same answer, the number itself. F part, answer should be -1. So अगर हम 48 लिखेंगे, 48 divided by 48 तो 1 बनना है ना, हमें माइनस चाहिए तो हम माइनस लगा देंगे अपने नंबर के साथ.
-48 divided by 48 is equal to -1.
G part, 20 divided by some number, the answer should be -2.
-10.
-10. Okay, Archit. H part, what number should be divided by 4? The answer should come out to be -3.
Ma'am, we have to write it in copy.
-12.
In book.
-1.
-12.
-12.
Ma'am.
-12. You may always check your answer. You can always check your answer. If you solve this division, the answer should be -3. Every time you fill a blank, recheck your answer. Working column में इसको quickly solve करके देखो, आपका answer -3 बने. Yes, beta, this is to be done in the book itself. Hurry up, note it down.
Ma'am, done.
Has everyone completed question 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes,
we do
ma'am.
question number 2 or 4?
Now we will do second question.
Okay.
Ma'am, test is on 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock. Arshad, can you hear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone look at second question of your exercise. You have to verify this is a relation given. It is like a question we did in exercise 1.1 and 1.3. Verify वाला question हम एक पहले भी करके आए हैं. This is to be done with LHS and RHS. You will be solving this question by separating the left hand side and the right hand side. So left hand side will be this portion. Right hand side will be this portion. Now look at the sign between the two. In between the two, ये जो बीच में sign लगा हुआ है, ये equals to का sign cross ऐसे किया हुआ है. Can anyone tell me what does this mean?
It is not equal.
Yes, this
Ma'am,
is
not equal.
not equal.
Equal. And not
Answer-
equal is the correct.
So when you solve the two sides, as you can see, A part में आपको values दी हुई हैं. आपको A की जगह पे use करना है 12, B की जगह पे use करना है -4, C की जगह पे use करना है 2. And then you want to check that the answer of left side and the answer of right side are not equal. Your answers should not match.
Ma'am, LHS is equal to -6 and RHS is equal to +3.
So the
No,
answers
ma'am,
are
sorry.
different.
Ma'am, गलत हो गया. Ma'am,
गलत हो
yes,
गया?
ma'am, answers are different. Ma'am,
Okay.
गलत हो गया. Ma'am, वो right hand side होना था. Ma'am, -6 right hand side और 3 ma'am left hand side.
Okay, let us solve. The students who have not done it yet, do it with me. First of all, write down the expression. ये जो पूरा का पूरा expression है left hand side, right hand side वाला. Complete statement note down in your copies. Question number 2, हमें क्या check करना है? I'm going to write that down. A divided by, in the brackets we have B plus C. And
Ma'am, ये question-
equals to, हाँ जी बेटा. A divided by B plus A divided by C. This is what I want to check. The answer on the two sides should not be equal. In A part, I have given the value of A as 12, the value of B as -4, C is given as 2. Now I'm going to solve the two sides, left hand side. A divided by B plus C. ये ऊपर से कॉपी की मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. वैल्यूज यूज करो. A replaced by 12, divide by, in the brackets, B is -4 plus C is 2. Yes, Ananya? Ananya, you've raised your hand, but you have a question?
No, ma'am. By mistake, I did it.
Okay. Solve the bracket. From the bracket to get -2. Now divide 12 by -2. Do the cutting. The left hand side answer is -6. Now let's solve the right hand side. This is the right hand side. A divided by B in the bracket plus A divided by C in the bracket. Use your numbers. A, B, C की जगह पे जो जो numbers आपको बताए हुए हैं वो use करने हैं. A की जगह पे आ जाएगा 12, फिर divide का sign. B की जगह पे आ जाएगा -4. ये bracket में आएगा, फिर addition. Brackets में A की जगह पे फिर से आ गया 12, division by C. C की जगह पे आ गया 2. Find the answer of each bracket. 12 divided by -4, 12 divided by 2. From the first bracket, I get -3. From the second bracket, 6. Solving the answer comes out to be 3. And as you can see, the answer on LHS and RHS is not equal. On the same lines, try the next one. Try the B part. Very good, Yuvraj. Okay, Ananya, okay. Let me know once you write this down.
Done. And the answer of second part is -5 and -20.
On left hand side, it will be -5. On the right hand side, it will be, yes, -20. Unequal. That's right.
मैं पोटी करके आया मैं आज पोटी आई जंदी पई
Simarpreet. Rishit, in division, we just look at if any minus sign is left. Multiplication division, we do not look for larger or smaller numbers. वो rule addition subtraction में है.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्या करना है?
Question number 4, you have to write down 2 pairs, 5 pairs. So pair means 2 numbers. The number should be such when you divide them, the answer should be minus 3. They have given one example, 6 and minus 2. 6 minus 2. Put division sign between them. 6 divided by minus 2. The answer should be minus 3. So think of such numbers. जिनको अगर divide किया जाए, the answer should come out to be minus 3 in every situation. You have to write down 5 such pairs. Arshit, yes, beta, whenever we are verifying, you have to show LHS, RHS.
Ma'am, please scroll up for 1 minute.
Same question. This is question number 2, B part. A is minus 10, B is 1, C is also 1. Ashit, you don't have to show the division. Sorry, the cutting. You may do the division orally. For example, if you have 12 by 2, you know the answer is 6. अगर आप directly answer लिख दोगे, it's fine.
Okay.
Let's start with left-hand side. We have A divided by B plus C minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1. Solve the bracket first.
Ma'am, you can scroll down. Ma'am, I have
think
done.
Dronveer was also writing down. Dronveer, beta, have you done?
Ma'am, I have also done 4th question.
Okay, very good. The students are writing down this part. Okay, I think now you may see. I'm solving the right-hand side for the B part. Ananya, I'm also doing B part. Let's solve. In the first bracket, we have minus 10 divided by 1 plus second bracket again minus 10 divided by 1. So minus 10 in the denominator, you will have 1 plus minus 10 in the denominator, you have 1. The 1 in the denominator can be ignored. So this is what you're left with. Now solve the addition. The answer comes out to be minus 20 on the right hand side. Minus 5 is not equal to minus 20.
Ma'am, in B part in RHS, mine answer is coming minus 1.
How? Did you divide the last part? Last step पे divide तो नहीं कर दिया?
मैम यस लास्ट मैंने रॉन्ग कर दिया.
Anyone who is doing part A of this question?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you proceed?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what to do in question 4?
Question 4, you have to write 5 pairs of integers. You have to write down pairs of integers such that if you divide them, the answer should come out to be -3. The first integer
And can I tell the
divided
answer?
by second integer, the answer will be -3. Give me a minute, Manpreet. Let them finish this. I'll give them a minute to think about their answer. Gurshan, yes, you can cancel minus signs in division. You can cancel minus signs in multiplication and in division.
Ma'am, please wait a second.
Sorry, Nanya.
Ma'am, wait a second.
Okay, okay.
We are going to do.
Yes, ma'am, please continue.
Let's just look at the question given in your book. Fourth question, you have to write
Okay.
down 5 pairs of integers.
Ma'am, your voice is.
You have to write down 5 pairs of integers a, b. आपको इस तरह से ब्रैकेट में अपने इंटीजर्स को लिस्ट करना है. आंसर जब आप लिखोगे ऐसे ब्रैकेट में लिखना है आपको. The numbers should be
Ma'am.
such. There will be 2 integers. ये जो ब्रैकेट लिखी है, ब्रैकेट में आपको 2 integers लिखने हैं. First integer divided by the second one. Answer should come out to be -3. Yes, Anand?
Ma'am, 12 divided by -4 is equal to -3.
12 divided by
4, -4.
-4. The answer is -3. That's right. You can take an example, I think, from your blanks done. ये जो अभी blanks किए हैं हमने. H part. Do you see the
Minus
answer?
12 divided by.
Do you see the answer? The answer is -3. This is the answer we are looking for. So think of all such numbers जिनको divide करके answer -3 बनेगा.
मैम हम 3 का टेबल ले सकते हैं ना?
Divide by 2.
Yes.
And -9 divided by 3.
Ma'am, -6 divided by 2.
-6 divided by 2.
21
Right?
divided by -7. 21 divided by -7.
Now see, there will be so many answers. You may write any 5. कोई 5 लिख लो.
21 divided by 7.
Ma'am,
21
divided by -3.
Divided by -6. 15
9 divided by
-5.
-3.
That's right.
Ma'am, 9 divided by -3.
Got it,
Ma'am,
Chirag.
I wrote
Ma'am, 21 divided by -7. Ma'am, 21 divided by -2. Ma'am, yes.
मैम 24 divided by -8.
-18 divided by -10.
20 divided by -10.
Anand.
मैम बस मैम ये बता रहा था 30 डिवाइड बाय -10 इसलिए मैम किया था.
Manmeet.
मैम प्लीज शो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
Which part?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बस मैम यही पार्ट. मैम ये
You
ऊपर वाला. मैम बस यही मैम. नो मैम नीचे वाला.
This is the second part.
मैम यस.
So as you can see, there are so many answers possible in question 4th. You can write any 5. Ananya.
Ma'am, on my device, your voice is cracking and low, so please speak a little bit louder.
Okay, Ananya. Okay. Tell me if you can hear me now. Am I audible
Ma'am,
now?
I can hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rishit.
Ma'am, you have put the commas, not the division sign in the question.
I have to only list the numbers. I only have to list the numbers in this bracket form. You can show your work by writing down the division. You may write that division thing, that if you divide these two, the answer will be -3. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
you can see the trick I did here. I have taken two numbers, which on division will give me 3. 12 and 4. On division, the answer will be 3, but I put minus sign with one of them. 12 के साथ माइनस लगा लो या फिर 4 के साथ लगा लो. दो नंबर्स में से किसी एक के साथ माइनस लगा लो, तो वो माइनस आंसर के साथ लग जाएगा. Yes, Ananya?
think मैम बाय मिस्टेक मैम पहले से किया हुआ था.
Okay. Gurshan Kaur?
Ma'am, -18 and 6.
Yes, -18 and 6 is also correct. बेटा बहुत सारी values बन जाएंगी. There will be so many answers. You only have to write any 5. Jivitesh?
Ma'am, 159 divided by -53.
Minus?
-53.
Okay, also that's also right. You are just multiplying the numbers with 3. Any number with 3, then you can pick the answer. That's right. Manmeet beta, have you done the question you were doing completed?
Ma'am, yes, I am complete, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth question, has everyone written the answer? Yes, Sia?
मैम आपने जो ये साइड पे जेड पेन से लिखा है मैम ये भी लिखना.
No, no, it's not necessary. This is just to check. I was just
Okay, ma'am.
showing कि 12 और 4 को डिवाइड करके 3 बनता है. तो एक बार मैंने माइनस लगाया है 12 के साथ, एक बार मैंने माइनस लगाया है 4 के साथ.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope everyone has completed. Yes, yes, Ananya, I'm coming to that now. Fifth question, question number 5. Let's take a look. Fifth question, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0, 10 degree Celsius above 0. 0 से अगर temperature above होगा, that means we can write it with a plus sign. 0 के आगे जो temperature होगा, it can be written with plus sign. अगर temperature 0 के नीचे होगा, we write it with minus sign. They are saying the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degree Celsius per hour until midnight. तो दोपहर के 12 o'clock से टेम्परेचर कम होना शुरू हुआ और मिडनाइट तक, रात के 12 o'clock तक टेम्परेचर धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है. In 1 hour, the temperature reduces by 2 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature at midnight, and at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? So this is -8 degree Celsius. आपको बताना है कितने बजे जो होगा टेम्परेचर -8 तक पहुंच जाएगा और रात को 12 o'clock पे टेम्परेचर कितना होगा. So I'm going to make a table for this in order to find out my answer. What I will do is I'm going to list what will be the temperature after every hour, starting from 12 o'clock in the noon. दोपहर के 12 बजे से हम काउंट करना शुरू करेंगे. 1 आवर के बाद क्या क्या टेम्परेचर होता जाएगा, उसके बाद हम आंसर देंगे. You have to check, Rishit. Let's see. Let's write down. Let's write down. Write with me. Make a table. 2 columns. In the first column, we are going to write down the time, and in the next column, we are going to write down what will be the temperature. At 12 noon, the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. And remember, the temperature is decreasing by 2 degrees. So 1 p.m., what will be the temperature? कम कर दो 2 degrees. 8 degrees Celsius. At 2 p.m., 6 degrees Celsius. At 3 p.m., 4 degrees Celsius. Find the time till 12 midnight. 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10, 11, and finally at 12 midnight. Quickly complete the table. 2 degrees, 0 degrees, -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12, and -14 degrees. Samira, beta, can you unmute and ask? I'm not sure what you're asking. Samira. Okay. I hope everyone is clear how we have made this table. हम 2 degrees कम करते जा रहे हैं at every step. 2 degrees कम करके हमने 12 o'clock midnight तक का टेम्परेचर फाइंड आउट कर लिया. अपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखो. यस मनरीत.
मैम मेरा मैम आंसर 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक ही आ रहा है मैम. मैम इधर एक एक्स्ट्रा लिखा है आपने.
2, this is for 3, this is for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please check. Yes, Rishit.
Ma'am, is there any shortcut to do this?
You could have
With
done
this-
with calculations also, but the answer can be obtained for the time at which the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius. So 8 degrees Celsius minus the change, then divided by 2 degrees Celsius. The final temperature है वो 8 degrees Celsius है. This is the final temperature you want. जो starting temperature था, initial वाला temperature था, वो था आपका 10 degrees Celsius. So you want to find out after how many hours will this change occur. -8 degrees. So difference find kar lo. And then divide your answer. It becomes -18. Itna change aaya hai.
Okay,
Change in temperature can be obtained by writing down the final temperature minus the initial temperature. So 18, -18 degrees reduce ho gaya temperature. And divide it by -2. जो आ रहा है change in 1 hour.
Ma'am, -18 divided by -2.
तो 9 hours हो जाएंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
तो 9 hours के बाद टाइम कितना होगा?
Ma'am, can we write this formula also?
You can do that way also.
Okay, ma'am, 1 minute, wait, please.
Manpreet beta.
Ma'am, if I counting numbers, ma'am, it's 13 in total.
-10, sorry, 10, 8. I have also 13 numbers. Have you missed somewhere? Check again. No need, Samira. No, beta. Jivitesh.
मैम मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आ रहा कि इसमें निकालना क्या है.
अभी हम कर रहे हैं, मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं करवाए. I hope everyone has listed this. ये टेम्परेचर वाला टेबल बना लिया.
No, इस क्वेश्चन में.
I can't see your screen. Can you tell me the question number?
क्वेश्चन 5
Question 5, आपने ये टेबल फॉर्म किया?
तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रही है।
आपने टेबल फॉर्म किया, पहले मुझे ये बताओ।
हाँ जी कर लिया।
टेबल में हमने ये लिखा है कि अगर 12 o'clock दोपहर को 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस था टेम्परेचर, 1 घंटे के बाद वो कम हो जाता है, तो 1 घंटे के बाद टाइम हो जाएगा 1 PM। 1 PM में आपका टेम्परेचर हो जाएगा 8 डिग्रीज, 2 डिग्रीज रिड्यूस हो गए। फिर अगले 1 आवर में और 2 डिग्रीज कम हो गया, तो 2 PM पे टेम्परेचर होगा 6 डिग्रीज।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
वो आपने -2 भी लिखा था।
बेटा 0 के नीचे जाएंगे तो माइनस में नहीं पहुंच जाएंगे। टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है ना, टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, तो 0 से कम होके हम कहाँ पहुंच
अच्छा।
जाएंगे? माइनस वाले टेम्परेचर में नहीं पहुंच जाएंगे।
यस मैम।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
यस मनमीत।
मैम ये जो टेम्परेचर्स है मैम ये किस चीज के हैं?
बेटा ये किसी प्लेस के टेम्परेचर बताए हैं इन्होंने। दे हैव नॉट रेफर्ड टू एनीथिंग एज सच, दे आर जस्ट रेफरिंग टू द टेम्परेचर। टेम्परेचर कितना था और कितना चेंज हो रहा है, उन्होंने नहीं बताया कि ये रूम का टेम्परेचर है या किसी प्लेस का टेम्परेचर है या मे बी किसी फ्रीजर का टेम्परेचर है। After this, let's write the answer. The first part is, at what time the temperature was -8 degrees Celsius? From the table, identify at what time the temperature was -8 degrees Celsius. Can you all see? Second part, what is the temperature at midnight? -14 degrees Celsius. This is what the question was. Now, if anyone has any questions, please raise your hand. Yes, Nanya.
मैम सारे 12 to 12 तक की काउंटिंग करके नून से मिडनाइट तक 13 नंबर्स ही काउंट हो रहे हैं मैम।
हाँ जी बेटा, आपका मैच नहीं हो रहा मेरे से टेबल?
मैम आपका सारा टेबल मुझसे मैच कर रहा है, बट मैम जैसे मनजीत ने कहा था कि 13 वर्ड दिख रहे हैं
13 ही है बेटा,
में भी 13 दिख रहे हैं।
13 है बेटा।
मैम this is fine.
I hope it's clear to everyone.
मैम इसमें करेक्ट
Yes.
it's showing 13.
Yes, beta. Question number 6 is not in syllabus. Kindly note, sixth question is not in syllabus. You may cross that out in your book. Put a little cross on the question. I hope everyone has written this. Can we just turn to the textbook? Look at the last question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft. I hope everyone understands what an elevator is. Lift bolte hain jisko. Descends means to go down. नीचे जा रहा है. माइन शाफ्ट, माइन अंडरस्टैंड करते हो, जो अंडरग्राउंड होती है, जहां से मेटल्स निकालते हैं. The speed at which the lift is going down is 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Now try to understand the last part. Where do we want the elevator to stop? The elevator should stop at minus 350 meters. तो minus का meaning क्या है? Below ground. The elevator has to go down into the mine. और ground level से वो कितना नीचे चले जाए? 350 meters. And second thing, where does your lift start from? The lift starts from 10 meters above the ground level. If I had to show this with the help of a diagram, अगर मुझे picture draw करके समझाना हो, if this is the ground level, तो lift start हो रही है यहाँ से. This is 10 meters above the ground. Ground से 10 meters ऊपर है, जहाँ से lift start